Let's dive into one of the most powerful natural remedies on the planet, a compound with unparalleled, broad-spectrum benefits for your health. I'm not talking about vitamin D or any other common supplement. This is about curcumin, the bioactive compound found in turmeric. Curcumin is a game changer, offering a wide range of benefits for your body and mind. Turmeric, through millions of years of evolution, has developed remarkable properties that make it a true superfood. Here's what curcumin can do for you. 1. Potent anti-inflammatory powerhouse. Curcumin is one of the most effective natural anti-inflammatories available. It targets 5 major enzymes involved in inflammation, making it a powerful ally against conditions like arthritis, tendinitis, bursitis, and other chronic inflammatory issues, whether in your joints, gut, or elsewhere in the body. 2. Anti-aging and brain health. Curcumin is a strong antioxidant that can help increase longevity. It inhibits an enzyme called MAOB, which breaks down neurotransmitters in the brain and is linked to Alzheimer's risk. By blocking MAOB, curcumin supports brain health and may help prevent cognitive decline. Studies on animals have shown that curcumin can restore brain function and even extend lifespan. In one study, rats given a curcumin-like compound lived the equivalent of 130 human years. Curcumin also boosts BDNF, brain-derived neurotrophic factor, a protein that promotes the growth and survival of neurons. Low BDNF levels are associated with depression and cognitive decline, making curcumin a potential brain booster. 3. Heart health protector. Curcumin supports the endothelial lining of your arteries, the inner layer where issues like clotting, plaque buildup, and high blood pressure begin. By reducing inflammation and oxidative stress, curcumin helps protect your cardiovascular system. It also combats oxidized LDL cholesterol, the rust that damages arteries, and supports healthy blood flow. 4. Liver and blood sugar support. Curcumin can help reduce the risk of fatty liver disease and liver inflammation. It also improves insulin sensitivity, making it a valuable tool for stabilizing blood sugar levels. 5. Wound healing and antimicrobial effects. Curcumin accelerates wound healing and has powerful antimicrobial properties. It targets harmful bacteria while sparing the beneficial ones, making it great for gut health. It's also effective against bloating, ulcers, and even allergies, thanks to its immune-modulating effects. 6. Skin and eye health. Curcumin's anti-inflammatory properties make it beneficial for skin conditions like eczema, psoriasis, and acne. It's also good for eye health, protecting against inflammation-related issues. 7. Detoxification. Curcumin binds to heavy metals, helping your liver detoxify and eliminate them from your body. One challenge with curcumin is its low bioavailability, meaning your body doesn't absorb it easily. Pairing it with black pepper, which contains piperine, can enhance absorption. However, you don't need massive doses to reap the benefits. Think of curcumin as a protective compound that helps the turmeric plant survive. It's potent in small, consistent amounts. How to incorporate curcumin into your life. Golden milk, a traditional Indian drink made with turmeric, milk, or a dairy-free alternative, and spices. Turmeric tea. Steep a teaspoon of turmeric in boiling water, let it cool, and sip before bed. Smoothies. Add a pinch of turmeric to your morning smoothie. Cooking. Use turmeric in curries, soups, or roasted vegetables. One of my favorite ways to enjoy it is in a butter chicken recipe. Rich, flavorful, and keto-friendly. Curcumin is a true gift from nature. A versatile, powerful remedy that supports your brain, heart, liver, and overall health. Incorporate it into your daily routine, and you'll be taking a proactive step toward a healthier, more vibrant life. Share this amazing video with your family and loved ones. I will meet you in my next video. Till then, bye-bye.